Good afternoon, myself Swati. I'm going to continue module lecture series based upon object-oriented programming. Now my topic is on multi-threading, how the multi-threading will be used and what is meant by multi-threading. Let us see one by one. What is thread? Now we are going to discuss about what is thread, and then what is a process and what is a thread, and then what is the need we are using for multi-threading, and what are the advantages we are having, and what is a real-time example towards multi-threading. What is now starts with introduction about multithreading. Multithreading is the process executing multiple threads simultaneously with a single program. If you are having a lightweight unit of program that we are having a same memory and resources, each thread execute independently, but improves performance and responsiveness of applications. For example, if you are having and listening a music but downloading the file and browsing the web at the same times, that is multi-threading. As a single unit we are working with different types of work, that is in multi-threading. And then we have what is thread means. It is a thread is a small unit of execution within a process. This is a part of a process and how executed independently, has its own program counter and stack, and then share memory and resources with threads of the same process. We are having a shared memory. We are having a process of we are having a process like thread 1, thread 2, thread 3 being shared by another usages, another process of threads. And what is a process and what is a thread? Process means it is an independent program in execution. Thread means it is a lightweight unit of execution within a program. Memory has a separate memory, it will be shared with other threads. Execution is slower, and then a thread will be faster while you are executing. We are using more resources in the process, and then we are using less resources in the thread. If it is complex for IPC needed, it is easy for shared memory. Time consuming will be created in process, and quick and easy creations will be in a thread. That is a difference between process and thread. What are the needs? We are having an improved application performance and perform multiple tasks simultaneously. We are having a reduce execution time, and then we are having an enhanced user experience towards an needed. If you are having an like we are having an example, real time example like a YouTube. If you are asking any videos, watching any videos inside the YouTube without we are not swap the work towards the another, because that are if you are closing the YouTube app, that will be automatically closed the song like this. But if you are having and using music app, it will be heard by the music, and then another time we are using a WhatsApp or any other Facebook like Instagram, we are seeing means it be in a multiple task being using in a single time, that is a multiple thread. And then what are the advantages we are having in multi-threading means it is better UPS CPU utilization, and then faster execution, and then it will be an improved responsiveness. Efficient resource sharing means it will be support concurrent task. CPU stays busy by executing multiple tasks. Fast execution means it will be completed quickly towards the task. They are reducing many time, and then applications remains a response to user actions. And then effective resource management is the thread shared memory and resources, reducing overheads. And support concurrent task means allow multiple tasks to run at the same time. That is a major advantage for multi-threading. And then we are having a real-time example like web browser, mobile application, gaming, etc. We are having multiple tabs run simultaneously, that is in web browser. And mobile application means background tasks like music, calls and message will be on multiple tasking. And then gaming means it is on graphics like sound, user inputs, processed, etc. Togetherness towards an unit. We are having a mind map like multi-threading means it is a small, we are having enough separate way like a small unit of execution part of a program. And then what are the processes versus threads, we can see what are the uses multi-threading will be used: web browser, mobile apps, games, and then multiple tasks. Performance means it's a concurrent execution, reduce waiting time. And then advantages means it is a faster execution, better CPU usage, and then responsive, and then effectiveness. And then we are having an assessment like thread shares the same memory. Yes, it will be true. What is a thread means? It is a lightweight unit of process. We having what is multi-threading means? It is an executing multiple threads simultaneously in a single program, and then it allows concurrent execution of tasks, improving performance and responsiveness. That's all. Thank you.